4Y RGV system, towed. Introduction. As an extension of the use scenarios of the two-way RGV system, towed, the 4Y RGV system, towed, has the characteristics of high-density storage, highly flexible picking, good ductility and adaptability, rapid deployment, safety and reliability. This system can be multi-directional regardless of space restrictions and can realize cross-aisle, cross-layer, efficient and flexible operation. During the operation of the overall system, the dependence of a single product on the system can be reduced, and multiple processes can be operated in parallel. When the order demand changes, the system can flexibly mobilize shuttle cars on adjacent layers and aisles to concentrate work. It is suitable for scenarios with large SKUs and high efficiency requirements for inbound and outbound storage, such as storage picking links in e-commerce and pharmaceutical industries, and can be flexibly paired with multiple solutions. System composition. The 4Y RGV system, towed, is mainly composed of 4Y shuttles, lifter, tote conveyor system, and intelligent sorting stations. It applies storage system, order fulfillment system, visual recognition system, intelligent scheduling system, information management system, and other technologies. The information management system includes OMS, WMS, WCS, and WES. Technical parameter. The main performance indicators of the system: shuttle with a maximum load of 50 kilograms, maximum speed 5 meters per second, maximum acceleration 2 meters per second squared, positioning accuracy plus minus 3 millimeters, lifter with a maximum load of 150 kilograms, maximum speed 6 meters per second, maximum acceleration 6 meters per second squared, lifting height 600 millimeters, intelligent picking station with an efficiency of up to 900 order lines per hour. System efficiency is 3 to 5 times higher than traditional mini-load systems and 15 to 20 times higher than pallet racking AS/RS systems. System feature. Core equipment adopts modular and standardized design to easily cope with the business expansion. Adopt deep learning heuristic search algorithm to construct streamlined path planning. High-order S-curve planning control technology and 5G communication technology guarantee the efficiency and the safety of operating equipment. High-cost performance. Reduce customer investment costs, and optimize resource utilization. Applicable to all kinds of turnover boxes, cartons, and other goods with a flat bottom. A certain supporting force and not easily deformed.